Can you imagine being able to make $50 every single day of your life on autopilot? Yes, in passive income. I mean, receiving $50 daily directly to your PayPal account on your phone while you do whatever you please with your life. In this video, I'm gonna show you how the largest search engine on the planet, Google, and one of the most important e-commerce platforms in Europe, Temu, can become your new source of passive income. And to show you that this simple strategy works, the same strategy that thousands of people just like you and I are applying to make money online, let's go to my computer to show you my results. As you can see, we are here inside one of my virtual wallets, and today I have received $167. If I click here on my name, the options change color because indeed we are inside one of my accounts. Yes, $167 in passive income. Check it out. First step, you're gonna come to Google and you have to come to your Google Drive. I'm gonna click here where it says new Google Docs, and you're gonna open up a new Google Doc. That's it, that's the first step. And as you can see, this is right here. That's the first step. First thing you have to do. That's it. It's so simple. What's the second step? Second step is you have to come to this website, which is Temu.com. What is Temu.com? Pretty much it's the Amazon of the UK, where you can find any product, you name it. You can come here to categories and you can see home and kitchen, women's clothing, men's clothing, jewelry, accessories, beauty and health, toys and games, and everything that you can just imagine. You find it here on Temu.com. So once you're here, I want you to check this out. You can see that there are different people from all over the world making big bucks, making a lot of money as affiliates. Yes, you guessed it. We're gonna use affiliate marketing in this video, in this particular strategy. So you can see there are people that from all over the world making like $300, $496, and you can see that they are joining this affiliate network on Temu.com every second. Yes, so what is it that you're gonna do? Pretty simple. You're gonna come to Temu.com once again, and you have to open up an affiliate account. Yeah, as an affiliate. So you have to come all the way down, and as you can see right here, it says affiliate and influencer program. So you have to create an affiliate program account, okay, to become an affiliate so you can make commissions from every single product that you promote. That's it. Once you're here, it's pretty simple. So you can come to Temu.com once again, and you can click on categories, and you're just gonna pick any product. But one thing that I can tell you to do is you have to click on best sellers, so you don't have to guess what's selling like hotcakes here on this Temu.com website. So you just click on best sellers, and you can pick any product that is selling right now. Yeah, right now at the moment, like people are buying like crazy. So you just pick one of those products. Obviously, I already did my research and I found suitcases. As you can see, all these suitcases are selling like crazy. So what you can do pretty much is just pick one and get your affiliate link. Before continuing, if you're interested in doing the same exact side hustle that I'm doing to make $10,000 a month in passive income on complete autopilot, just click on the link in the description of this video and I'll see you inside. But what's the next step? It's really simple. So what we're gonna do is come to ChatGPT, okay? And you're gonna make ChatGPT write an article for you. Yes, you don't have to do anything. This is so simple. So you just tell ChatGPT to write an article about the 7 best travel suitcases. That's it. And ChatGPT will immediately give you this article in like 2 seconds. The 7 best travel suitcases for every type of traveler. That's it. As you can see, okay, this is well written, obviously, because the artificial intelligence just did it for you. So once you have your article, you're gonna come and copy the whole thing and paste it here on your Google Doc. Remember the first step? To just come here to your Google Drive and open a new Google Doc. Okay, you're gonna come here and copy and paste the whole thing, the whole article here on your Google Doc. And once you're here, I want you to come to this next website. And you can see that this website is visited 210 million times a month. This is crazy. This is so much traffic online. So yeah, this website is called slideshare.net, where pretty much people come here and what they do is they just upload different Google Docs in PDF format, and they just put it there with different info, obviously different niches, different industries, and people come here and they read this PDF format, whatever you want to call it, like ebooks. Okay, so for example, here you can see that there are it has 22,000 views. This right here. This other one, 5,000 views, 6,000 views, 4,000 views. This one right here has 1.6 million views. This is crazy, guys. So just pay attention. Once you're here, you're gonna open up an account. It's free. You can do it with your Gmail account, and you're gonna come here and upload this Google Doc, this document. You're gonna save it as a PDF, but you're gonna say, but what's the point of doing this? Because you have to get the traffic from this SlideShare.net website. But why? Because you're gonna become an affiliate from this Temu.com website, and you're gonna pick a product. For example, this suitcase right here, right? So you get your affiliate link once you become an affiliate, and what you have to do is you have to paste your affiliate link here. For example, let's say that this Samsonite suitcase, okay, that you are promoting here in your article. So you have to come all the way down here and just type in get it here and put your affiliate link. In my case, my affiliate link, for example, could be let's say passiveincomelover.com. That's it. So once you type this in, you have to click on link, okay, to make it, you know, hyperlink. So the people, when they read it, they come here and they click on it, and then your affiliate link opens up. This right here, as you can see, they check the suitcase, they like it, they buy it, and you make a commission. Yes, it's just that simple. That's called affiliate marketing. So you're gonna do the same thing for every single suitcase that you write here on your article. For example, you can type the whole thing right here, right here, right here, and so on. And what you have to do is just copy the whole thing and then paste it here once you upload. That's it. Now, you can also come to this website that's called Vocal.media. Same thing. You just write articles and you can include your affiliate links. You already get the traffic from these websites. You don't have to worry about it because these websites run so much traffic every single day that all you have to do is just create the content, but you're not gonna create it because ChatGPT will do it for you right away. That's the magic of artificial intelligence. So you have to take advantage of it. So once you do that, you just come here and same thing. You copy it and paste it and boom, you can do the same thing with different categories inside this Temu.com website, because once you become an affiliate, you can pick any product in all of these categories, create those articles with artificial intelligence, which is ChatGPT. You tell them what to do, you copy the article, you paste it on these two websites right here, which is SlideShare.net and also Vocal.media, and you start running traffic and people are gonna check your articles, they're gonna click on your affiliate links, and you, my friend, you are gonna make lots of money. Now, if you wanna learn my most favorite ways to make money online, just click on this video right now and I'll see you inside. Check it out.